before I joined K21, I have been to other IT classes that I would say it was not helpful, but since I discovered this K21, it has been tremendous. They are always here to help. Even there was a time I was not able to join the class or learn because of all my personal issue, and when I reach back to them. And anytime I have an issue, when I reach out, you guys are always willing at no cost, at no additional cost to what I have paid before. So with that, I'm really impressed and happy that I'm in the right place because there are people that they're willing to support me personally at any point in time.
Yeah, K21 is really, really good. And I think one of the things that really got my attention in K21 was K21 is very structured, and I like the learning scheme. In fact, they're not hiding up anything. You know, they're giving you the way it is, and they're giving you the industry standard of the courses. So very impressive, very impressive teaching. Very impressive support, on the WhatsApp group, on the email group for the support, very responsive. But one of the things that I take about K21 Academy is that they're very structured, and the teaching, the lecture is of very, very high quality. I've not experienced hands-on lectures like that anywhere. And they try as much as possible, to answer your questions to help you grow. So it's a wonderful experience, really.
When I found the benefit of this interactive sessions, which is a differentiating factor for K21 Academy when compared to so many other training institutes or online trainings. So whoever is enthusiastic to learn and grow, definitely if they ask me, I will certainly recommend them. And it's advisable to gain the knowledge and wisdom from the experienced folks, experienced mentors. So in K21 Academy, I really want to special gratitude to Rishabh, who has been a great mentor, who actually has been involved in making the session more inclusive, making it more interactive, and by sharing his experiences and some real-time examples. So it's mostly a scenario-based discussions I really enjoyed.
The teachers are reliable. Then we have a great support service. Not only that, we have access of a lot of labs and infrastructure that can help you to understand the learning based on your choices. Learning at K21 helped me a lot. I noticed with K21, the learning is deeper. That can show you more about your expectations.